2025 Toyota Land Cruiser LC300. Review blending heritage with cutting-edge innovation. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser LC300 continues its legacy as a rugged icon while embracing the future with bold updates that refine its luxury, tech, and off-road prowess. Designed for adventurers who demand both sophistication and capability, this SUV proves that evolution doesn't mean abandoning roots. Château forme. Exterior, modern toughness. The LC300's design pays homage to its boxy heritage, but sharpens it with contemporary flair. A redesigned grille with intricate chrome detailing dominates the front, flanked by aggressive LED matrix headlights and C-shaped DRLs, matte black cladding, reinforced skid plates, and a roofline spoiler add functional toughness, while aerodynamic tweaks improve efficiency. New 20-inch alloy wheels, or optional 18-inch off-road variants, balance urban style and trail readiness. 1. Interior. Sanctuary meets smart tech. Step inside and the LC300 pampers with a cabin that blends premium materials and intuitive tech. Soft-touch leather, real wood accents, and heated cooled seats with massage functions cater to luxury seekers. The redesigned dashboard features a 14-inch touchscreen running Toyota's latest infotainment system, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A 12.3-inch digital cockpit display and head-up display keep drivers informed without distraction. Enhanced noise cancellation ensures whisper-quiet rides, even at highway speeds. Tanantuam, performance, power meets precision. Under the hood, the LC300 retains its twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6, but now pairs it with a more potent hybrid system, delivering 443 horsepower and 520 pound-feet of torque. The hybrid setup boosts fuel efficiency to an estimated 24 miles per gallon combined, and offers 35 miles of electric-only range for city drives. Off-road, the updated multi-terrain select system with crawl control and rear differential lock conquers mud, sand, and rocks effortlessly. An adaptive suspension automatically adjusts damping for buttery smooth highway cruising or rugged trail articulation. Tans, tech and safety, smarter exploration. Toyota's Advanced Safety Sense 3.0 suite now includes Level 2 plus semi-autonomous driving, hands-free on mapped highways, night vision assist with pedestrian animal detection, panoramic 360-degree cameras, and transparent hood view for tricky obstacles. New for 2025 is Trail Drone, an integrated drone that scouts ahead on off-road routes, streaming live footage to the infotainment screen. Wireless charging, a 17-speaker JBL sound system, and onboard Wi-Fi keep passengers connected. Tatuum, pricing and competition. Starting at $87,500, the LC300 undercuts rivals like the Land Rover Defender V8, $95,000, and Mercedes G550, $135,000. Opt for the Heritage Edition. Retro styling cues, $94,000, or off-road package, winch, all-terrain tires, $91,000. While its size challenges tight city parking, the LC300's versatility justifies the price for those who value both luxury and grit. Verdict: the uncompromising all-rounder. The 2025 Land Cruiser LC300 isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. It rewards drivers with Toyota's legendary reliability, a tech-loaded cabin, and the confidence to tackle any terrain. For those seeking a do-it-all